Hi there, Chris once again, Peninsula Hauling and Demolition Company here in San Francisco. What we have here today that we are demolishing down to the first floor, or I should say the floor of the second floor, is a fire damaged building. Upper half or second floor caught fire and literally burnt everything in its entirety on the second floor. This is our crew upstairs. Starting out, this is day one that we've started on the project, and we are basically removing all the fire charred wood framing and everything else. So we will take the entire second floor in its entirety out down to the subfloor, which is the plywood that you would stand on the second floor. I'm here now in the first floor, and the first floor was not burned very bad at all. However, because of the fire department and all the water that was used to put the fire out, it damaged all the lath, plaster, doors, framing, wood, etc. is what it did. So we had to strip this as well. This is the first floor that you see. The carpenters have started doing some minor reframing of the structure down here for reworking of the floor space. That's what we have here. This is the dining room, believe it or not. Boy, they don't make them like this anymore. Dining room literally is 25 by 30. You can imagine that. Living room is 25 by 25 on the first floor. Okay, so that is the first floor. Now we're moving upstairs where there's a substantial amount of more damage that was done. We are in action here, that you see, demolishing and cleaning out everything down to the plywood that you see here. Once everything is done and said, this entire structure will be removed down to the plywood where you see my name. Not exactly sure how this fire started, but it was a bad one. Also, not only did it damage the structure, but it damaged the homes on both sides. That's Jorge over there doing what he does best, which is making it go away. Jorge, you got a respirator? Papa Jolio, give Jorge a respirator. Okay, you gotta have one, buddy. It's nasty in here, Jorge. You gotta have one, Papa. Oh, okay. Okay. What you see is the roof of the second floor, and roof and ceiling joists, and as you see, it has all been burnt in its entirety. Can we cut that wood out the way and push that whole thing over on top of this garbage? Jorge? Can we do that? Yeah. Okay, you guys got to get some water up here, man. It's too. No escalera, Jorge? No necessary. Oh.